All right, so we're going to look at lesson 4.4 assignments. And this just extends from the 4.3 assignment. So the first question asks, which linear equation represents a non-proportional relationship between the values of x and y and the values of y? So non-proportional, y equals mx plus b. So I'm trying to find something that models this right here. This gives me y equals mx, but I don't have a b, so that's going to be proportional, doesn't work. This is just written essentially backwards, right? But again, it still doesn't have a b, can't work. And then here, I don't have a b either. Y equals 4x, so mx, plus 3 plus b. So you should have chosen that one there for a non-proportional relationship. The other three are going to go through your origin. All right, next one. Which linear equation represents a proportional relationship between the values of x and the values of y? So again, we're looking for when b is 0. So I'm identifying here the reasons I didn't choose these. So all they've done here is, I could have rewritten this. This is y equals negative 3x plus 98. All they've done is they've flipped my mx and my b. But I still have a b. Here I have a b. Here I have a b. These three are non-proportional. That is why I didn't choose those. Y equals 24x. It's going to go through the origin or intersect at the origin. I do not have a b value other than 0. It would be 0. So I get to choose y equals 24x. That is my proportional relationship. All right. Next one. In which table do the values of x and the values of y reflect a non-proportional relationship? What I needed to do here is I needed to know if this is a point on my table, this is proportional, it doesn't work. So I had to work backwards. So first I looked to see for every x value, what am I going up in my y values? And then I just worked backwards. So, and I'm going to work the ones that are wrong first. So this went up 1, and then it went up 15. So to go backwards, I took 1 away, and then I took 15 away. And so I could have extended the table. I didn't do this very neatly. Sorry about that. All right. And then you can see I have my 0, 0. That is proportional. All right. This one, for every x going up by 1, y goes up by 2. So I take away 1 on the x, take away 2 on the y. Again, you can see here I have my 0, 0 again. And this is just a repeated table, so I did not have to do that again. It's still going to be proportional. Let's look at the one that is non-proportional. So I saw that for every 1 of my x, I am going up 6 with my y, and that continues through the entire table. So I subtracted 1 from my x, and I subtracted 6. And I continued until I had an x value of 0. And that's here. My y value is 7. That does not intersect at the origin. It intersects at when y is 7. So A was the table that represents a non-proportional relationship. All right, number 7. Which graphs show a proportional relationship between x and y? Proportional must intersect the origin. Straight line must intersect the origin. So anything that doesn't, I can't choose. So I can't choose that. Oh, here's my first one that's proportional. Straight line through the origin, B works. Origins over here, lines over there, doesn't work. Origins here, lines over there, doesn't work. Origins here, lines down here, doesn't work. Origin, line. I'm looking for proportional, remember. I need proportional graphs. Oh, here we go. Proportional. I can choose that one. Origins here, lines here, doesn't work. Origin, my line, that one works. Origin, my line's down there, doesn't work. Here's my origin, my line intersects, choose that. My origin's up here, my line still is not intersecting it, I can't choose it. Here's my origin, my line's down over there, doesn't work, not proportional. Here I have a proportional one, origin, line intersects. And then I have two more graphs, let's see. Here, my origin, my line intersects it, I'm choosing O. Here's my origin, my line is above it, does not intersect it, can't choose P. So when I went through there, I had B, G, I, K, N, and O are my proportional graphs. All right, number 8. That's not really 8. Next one. Which graph shows a proportional relationship between the values of X and the values of Y? All right. So I want to talk about B a little bit, as this line does intersect at the origin. The problem, however, is it's a curved line. So this is not a linear proportional relationship. So if we do not have a straight line, we do not have a proportional relationship. So that's why I didn't choose that one. Down here is my origin, my line's up here, doesn't intersect, can't choose it. Again, here's my origin. I have a straight line, but it's not intersecting, so I can't choose that. C, we have our origin, our line intersects it, straight line. C is the correct answer. And then how confident are you with distinguishing between proportional and non-proportional relationships? Hopefully we're getting here. Have a great day.